Hey guys, thanks for the shout outs last week, Toby, on Model Monday Live. Nice to get that record, at least for a few hours. We're not going to have another go at that. I don't know if we could even beat that time, but this one over here, I've saw the stream, the New Life Challenge, and I'd love to get involved and have a go. In 52 seconds, it's pretty tight. Yeah, we'll give it a crack, and I'm recording just in case we get there. We don't make it. This video is probably not getting posted, so let's see how we go. So now, what sort of times we're looking at? Minute 50, minute 40, minute 30, minute 20, 52 seconds. Okay. Let's reveal, and let's just get a handle on it. Now, I've seen a little bit of it already, so I know how some people have a go at this. Let's just go to premium. Or we can probably do this. That works better. And let's just get that over there and get a bigger screen. With plain carbon steel. Oh, this has it all in the one screen. But I can't change the height. I can't enter a number. I'll just leave it on the side. So I understand this one's all about symmetry. And trying to get super fast on that element. So when we look at the picture, just going to do a run through before we start trying to go fast. We're trying to do a quarter of it. So we want to take this line here and this line here and just do that corner element, which is, see, half of this. Including the hole. So including this hole here. Because that's symmetrical and mirrored. Now it's got a hole wizard. We can do there for the countable holes. And we've got the fillets. I've seen in the videos these fillets here. We can try and do them all at the same time. Yeah, let's see how we go with that. So, right plane. The origin in this, because it's got that step at the bottom, that makes it difficult. So we're going 25, 4, I don't think that's right. The difference there is 55. All right, 2. That's an awkward number. 14. Then I want to go in, up, semicircle, down, with this one being on that point and a hole there of 25. Outside radius 20. So we'll probably want to change that. Not put the origin there, but have the origin somehow in line with that and that. So that this, what you want to do here, something like that. No, probably not. Top that dimension to be nice and quick. Okay. We can come back and add fillets later. So let's bury an extrude. This is 18. All right. Not a revolve. We're picking that. We're going by 18. And you'll come back and fix what we need to afterwards. So that it's got an element here in the middle, which is 48 by 9. And then that is 94 minus 36 divided by 2. Okay, and then we get our fillets. So we got 5 fillets. The radiuses are all 5. And now I can mirror. So we'll have to get used to this process here. Mirror. What we actually want to do is do like a double mirror. So I'll have to go through that body, tick. We forgot the hole as well. So that's the other thing we want here. Hole wizard, custom size, 7, 14. It's not the right one. 7, 14, 4. No head clearance. Position. I'll just dimension it for now. I'll come back and fix it later. 76 to the center. So let's say 38. 10, we want to be in line with that. Okay, so there are features. I believe that's right. If we have a look at the weight, to see if we get it. So, 1610. There we go. It's first dimension. So we had it right the first time. Dimensioned wrong. So we'll fix that up. Okay, yep, got it right now. Okay, submit that. Now, let's have a look how other people did it. And we'll look at the SolidWorks guys first. Let's see what tricks they used. Right, starting with the center. And going half of it. Yeah, slot tool. Could be pretty quick. And selecting those contours though is not fantastic. Dimensioning is definitely the right idea. Yeah, I really like that dimensioning workflow. I did see this fillet method as well. Just wonder if you could, like he does the half mirror here, but if you could do all that quicker and do like the holes here. 76 by 76 is pretty quick. But it's probably costing like 20 seconds to get that sketch set up and get those holes done. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let's see. Dom. Nice dolls. Dom needs some tunes. I know Dom and Metab were going back and forth on this model. So it'll be interesting to see what they do different, if anything. See, I like how Dom uses the dimension tool, the numerical input for dimensions. I think that's really quick. I think he's much quicker here getting this whole form done and the fillets. Like, I think that's probably the way to do it. But it's that cut on the bottom. Can you get that in at the same time? Because it loses a bit of time here. So maybe there's a quicker workflow for this. So using the square for positioning those, again, it's all right, but I just can't help but feel you do one profile, one section, and mirror it twice, and you're done, rather than all those extra selections. I think that's the quicker way to do it. Pretty good. And then MCG8, Tia. So I think I've seen this video already. And I think he does the double mirror workflow. We'll see. Like so quick with that hole. Gets the cut on the bottom, gets the fillets in very quick. Slice in halves, then mirror, then mirror. Bang. Right. So just feel like that workflow of getting a quarter of the model done in the quickest possible time and then being very efficient with the mirror. And the whole wizard is the trick to this. So I'm going to have a go at practice. I'll keep recording, but I'll probably put this on bit of time lapse so you can see the workflow. All right, let's go. Yes. Oh, my gosh. Too many attempts. But hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, please like and share. If you've got any suggestions for other content, leave it in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And there's some other videos here. Check out. Thanks.